And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 241. Let me show you how you can adjust the tint very easily of your photos. We'll start by copying the original, pressing Ctrl J, so we have the original as backup, and we work on the copy. If you have seen the last video, we've used image adjustments in black and white, and we're going to use it here again. I haven't talked about this box right here where it says Tint, because this doesn't make your photos black and white despite the menu being called that. It simply gives it tint, and then you can use the sliders just like with the black and white adjustments to adjust these original colors according to the new tint. Just uncheck the preview to see the original colors. And you can also use the auto adjustment here, gives you a good starting point, and then go over the colors one by one. Down below we now have two more sliders to adjust, which are hue and saturation, and they can be used to adjust the color that is used for this tint adjustment, but you can also click on the color itself, which opens right here your color menu, and you can pick that directly, and you can see how this adjusts the hue and saturation in real time. It's just a different way of doing it. What you cannot use anymore are the presets in the drop down above. So if we pick one, it's going to switch back to a black and white adjustment. Best way to adjust it is to activate the tint, pick your color, use auto, and then adjust the sliders one by one if you need detail adjustments. Don't forget to confirm you're OK, and this is how you can make tint adjustments to your images in Photoshop. Hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.